Video starting.
Oh, good morning, DXN. Good morning, Africa. Good morning, Nigeria. Good morning, worldwide. I was enjoying the music from the video. It was really, I was shaking my head as it was going, and I'm enjoying myself with the music. You are welcome today to another informative, explosive, educative, and interactive section with DXN Nigeria. And today we are bringing in another big leader in DXN. And she's not just an honorary person, and I've been following her up on her Facebook page, and she has been doing enough videos about DXN products, and it has been inspiring. And we are honored today to have Mrs. Roshanara Ahmed, a triple diamond. But before I let her know and tell us about herself, and I know little about her, and let me say little of what I know about her. Ms. Roshanara Ahmed is an international beauty and wellness coach. She has a diploma in Women's World International of Shezma Hussein and various other arts of ladies beauty treatment. No wonder she's very good with our DXM products. She owns 2 ladies beauty salons in Sharaj and ran them for 10 years. She's a DXM member since 2009, and from the past 11 years, she has been actively involved with DXN for training and promoting what? DXN products, especially DXN cosmetic products for all skin types, hair fall, and hair growth treatment. So if you are here, you have bad hair and your hair is falling, get tuned and get ready to learn how to make your hair stronger. She traveled internationally and gave demonstration in 20 countries. As we saw in the video, she has traveled what? Far and wide, including Australia, Malaysia, Philippines, Canada, Nepal, India, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, Oman, and Pakistan. Very soon, Nigeria will be added to that list of countries. She's a role model for her followers. She assisted women in becoming entrepreneurs and influenced them in opening their own parlors using DXN products as their what? As their key products. Her aim and vision is to give hope for every woman, which is aligning with the vision of DXN and the founder, Dr. Lim, of what? Promoting what? Health, wealth, and happiness. In DXN currently, she's a triple diamond. She's a triple diamond in DXN, which means she has 6-star diamonds under her. Her children are also actively what? Promoting what? DXN. Her mission is to help people across the world and promote the wellness DXN offers. It brings her great satisfaction when she is able to change people's lives. And I bring today, all the way from Dubai, Mrs. Roshanara Ahmed, triple diamond of DXN. Nice to meet you, ma. You are welcome to DXN Nigeria.
Thank you, Zoro. Thank you, loving your this introduction, and thank you, Jijit also, and Zoro also. We are doing an all management from Nigeria. Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. This is my journey. You see my journey, and now I want to show how I achieve my dreams come true and all my achieve things. Okay, I show you now. I show you my presentation. That is, and after that we do our cosmetic.
Sure, sure.
Full screen. This is my husband, and I show this is my children's and husband. When I joined DXN, before that, these pictures, and there is my children's that time they are studying, and this is my saloon parlor. So many countries they tell parlor also, and so many countries they tell saloon also. This is saloon and parlor. My when opening that time the saloon in Sharjah, I had 2 saloons that time, and Dr. Lim is there. And Dr. Lim is not there, then we are not meet everybody in Nigeria also. I'm not coming now. I am coming in Nigeria. I'm talking with the Nigerian people, like I am there. Okay, and Dr. Lim bring us very good products. It is Ganoderma and mushroom, and it is not with us. Then we are not going to all countries. We will not travel, and this product is good for health also. That health benefits I share you after my this slide. This is my journey, and Mr. Gani, he is my upline, and he is our mentor also, and he's teach us very good things, so many things in DXN. And this is my 5-star Ruby. I achieved that also. This tell you after that. And our management, Digit, and this is Dubai management. They are doing so good work, and they are pushing us. They are saying, no, you are doing this. This is very good. And Dr. Rajesh Savera is also there. He is also touch with me. And this is my family. When my children's graduate, this is graduation picture. My daughter, that time my daughter, 9 years before my husband is no more. He's not with us. He's cardiac tech, and he's not with us. But I am doing good in DXN. I am joining DXN, and it is a good opportunity for me. From that time, I'm doing hard work, and I achieve so many things, because without husband we are not doing something. But
Hello, ma. Hello,
yeah,
ma. Can you hear me?
yeah.
Are you moving your slide? Your slide is still in the first slide.
Okay.
The slide has not been moving because I see you're making some statements about your parlor and your children, but we are still on the first slide when you are holding the
This one,
Ganoderma.
for this one. This one.
Yes, when you're holding Ganoderma.
Now see, it's okay.
It is still on one slide.
Only one slide.
Yes, it has been on one slide. It has not changed since you started. because the viewers needs to see your children and your parlor like you showed, but it is showing only the DXN Ganoderma farm.
Just a moment.
Okay, ma.
Just a moment. Now see. Now is okay?
Are you changing the slide?
Yeah, yeah.
It's
Not
still
changing.
not changing. No, it's not changing. It's not changing.
Just a moment.
Okay, it changed right now
Now
to
see.
5-star. It is now in 5-star Ruby. So
Yeah, now
I think,
5-star. Just a moment.
yeah,
Now see. It's okay?
no.
No? Yeah, no.
Make it's changing now. Management.
Okay, just yeah, I mean, this is I think slowly this change.
Okay, okay. I think
Now
when you make it, when you make it a full screen, whenever you're clicking side, it will be going automatically. That's why you need to make it a full
then
screen so that you
slide
can be
going.
able.
Then I'm not talking full, no? Just. Now see. Now change. Now see. It's okay.
Perfect. Changing perfectly now. Perfectly.
Okay.
Perfectly.
Then I
Perfectly.
talk again. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem.
Yes, ma. Yes,
Yeah.
ma. Thank you very
Good
much.
morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Nigeria. Good morning, all over the world. I'm here, Roshanara here from Dubai. And this is my slide. I show you my life, about my life. This is my husband and my children are there. And this is my parlor. So many people say parlor also, and so many people say saloon. Okay, this is saloon and parlor same. This is my parlor opening in Sharjah. I had two parlors that time, and when I give to other somebody's the saloons, after that I joined the DXN, and DXN is my, I think it is good for me. Platform is good for me, and I this is Dr. Lim, and Dr. Lim is not there, then we are not achieve so many things because we have good things with us. This is Ganoderma, and this is give so many people's finance problem also solve, and health problem also, health, wealth, and happiness. And this is Mr. Gani is there. He is my upline. He's my he's doing so many things for us, and he's taking classes also, give good achievements for everybody, and every time he's with us. This is 5-star Ruby, because 5-star Ruby, I achieve 5-star Ruby. So many people, they not achieve 5-star Ruby in DXN. They are crown diamond and so many good this, but I achieve it is for myself, because I want that time I need money. And this is why I achieve, because 9 years before my husband is no more, he's not with us. But after that also I am doing so hard work in DXN, and I achieve so many things. I don't want to begging anybody. I think our hand is for giving, not taking. Okay, then I'm doing hard work in DXN, and I do so many things. That time my children are studying, and my daughter is studying in Malaysia, and my son is studying in Bangalore, India. But they complete their studies, and this is our management. Jijit are there, and my Dubai management, Salim, Shabi, Sebastian, everybody is there. And Dr. Rajesh Savera is also there. He's also like my brother, and he's so many things he's doing for me also. And this is my children's, they graduate that time. My son is a graduate in Dubai. He's coming from Bangalore, and he's graduate. And my daughter, she's coming from Malaysia. She's also taking graduation. And now that time they are with me. And when my husband died, that time he's take one land, and he's doing this bungalow for me. And after DXN, I'm achieved this bungalow also. This is now a 4-bedroom bungalow in Mumbai Pune highway. And because everybody want a house, when you have home, then you are doing so many things without tension, without this. This is also Vasupalia creations, and I achieved that one. There is Vasupalia sir is there, our first crown ambassador from India, and he's give me triple diamond pin. in Dubai. I think it is Feb 2020 Feb, and he is here that time. This is and this is achieving because I am going so many countries. This is Nepal and this is I think Nepal and UP and everywhere. They are give us very much popularity, and I am happy with everybody because they are very nice. Everybody, every country, and DXN family. I think DXN family is bonding family. We are doing so many good things for everybody. We are not thinking he is from this line here, he's from that line. We are get together. We are together and do help for everybody, and that is my dream because I want to do something for ladies, and always I'm doing for ladies everything because I'm doing classes, certificate courses also, and I do this our treatments. We have so many things with us DXN products, and how to mix the products and how to make a mask and everything I'm doing with DXN. And that things I show to everybody. This is I want to everybody learn everything in DXN. This is my children's marriage, my daughter marriage. This is also I'm doing in DXN. This is my son marriage, and our full family is there. You see down there is one picture. Vasu Palyas, Laszlo, Dr. Ranjan, everybody is coming for that marriage party. This is my big happiness, and this is Laszlo. Our leaders are good, then everything is good. We want to talk with everybody and ask them, okay, how you do the business and everything. There is Dharamshila also there. Harun Rashid is also there. And achieving is everything is achieved. This is freedom in DXN. I think I'm free of tension because you see my pictures down. This is happiness, health, wealth, and happiness is in DXN only, and this is our Burj Khalifa, and this is my course. I'm doing 18 course in all over the India, Dubai, all Gulf countries, and I'm planning to come everywhere. Next, I'm planning to come Nigeria also, and we do this course. This is my course, and this is my achievers. This is certificate course with Dr. Lim's signature. This is this all, and this is my side. You take the picture, and YouTube channel is also there, Roshanara's Therapy. Now I show you about our products, how to use our products for this health also. I change my slide. When you do good business, then you achieve everything, but we want to hard work here. You do hard work, then we do so many things there. We have in Nigeria products. We have this. Yeah, this is our yeah, this is our products. And Nigeria now some products are there, but future there is so many products are coming there, and we do so many things. This is RGGL in Nigeria. It is good for health. This is our Ganoderma. It is detoxification. When you take this RG and GL, 1 RG, 1 GL, this is good for detoxification. It is work on our cell and damaged cell, repair our damaged cell. It is good for that also, RGGL. And we have spirulina. It is multivitamins. It is good for everyone, children's also, and elders also. It is good for complete food. It is good, complete food. And you want to reduce weight, you take this also. I think Nigeria, they have candies. Then you use these candies for reduce weight also. But before food, you want to take this. And when you take this is benefits 2 chicken, 7 glass of milk, and 225 apple strength are there. When you take 6 also, it is good for that. It is good for blood circulation. It is good for anybody anemic. It is good for that also. Then you give to children's also. It is good for health, and it is good for because we take MSAM. This is Dr. Lim give to malnourished children's also this. It is good for everybody. It is good for ladies problems, spirulina. And I show you how to make mask with our RGGL and spirulina and moringa juice. Okay, it is good for hair mask also, and it is good for skin mask also. And you have this we have this moringa juice. It is good for brain tonic, body tonic. It is anti-cancer. We have our products RGGL and this moringa. It is good for cancer patients also. It is anti-cancers. This is not medicine. This is food supplements only. You don't tell anybody this is medicine. With your medicine, you want to take these products. I have lots of my testimonials for everything. I give this with your doctor treatment, your medicine, allopathy. With allopathy, you take this. Then when you are taking allopathy, there is no side effects when you are taking this, because this is detoxification, and this is good for everyone, children's to elders also. And you have this Gano oil, how to use Gano oil for hair also, and how to use Gano oil for your face massage. That is, I show you on my dummy how to do facials and everything. And we have Gano Z toothpaste. It is good for bleeding gum. This is good for swelling gum, bleeding gum, and teeth also. It is whitening your tooth also, and it is good for dandruff also. Then how to use for dandruff, I show you that one also. And how to treat our dandruff and itching, anything. And it is good for pimples marks, acne marks. It is good for that also. Then how to use, I show you that one. This is these things you have only. Then I show you our this beauty products, how to use beauty products. We want to take care of our skin. This is epidermis, dermis, and fatty tissues. Fatty tissues are third level of our body, and our largest part of body, our skin. Then you want to take care of our skin, but first you want to consume our these products, RGGL, spirulina, and moringa. When you take these, and then blood circulation good are there, and your epidermis is glowing, then you need to take the products, consume first products, and then you take care of your skin. Then you want to take care of skin, you want to take green vegetables, salad, and lots of water. 10 to 12 glass of water you want to drink full day. It is good for your skin also, your hair also, and your health also. When you consume your our products, DXN products, after that you want to drink more water. Then it is detoxification. Okay. Then you need to drink more water. And this is our my testimonials before and after for pimples and pigmentation also. How to use the products, I show you that one. Uh, this is my, she's my friend. I show on her how to use our products. Can you see, Zoro, the this lady? Hello, hello.
Yes, I can see your very good
Yeah,
friend. I can see your friend.
fine. Okay. This is. I show you how to do facial on her skin.
Okay, sir. Okay, ma. Okay, ma.
It's okay. हाँ, show papers. So इसमें दिखा सकते हो क्या? नहीं. After that. This is our products I show you. Then after this is I show after that mask. You want to do your facial, how to do your facial? No, okay. How to do facial, I show you. You want to any soap or anything, any cleanser you have, because Nigeria there is no cleanser and no soap. Then it is coming future, it is coming to you. Then any soap, or but you take herbal, okay, because herbal things are very good for skin. Then you take the soap, you spray the water on your face like this, and you take the soap or cleanser, any cleanser now you have, you take the cleanser, and massage like this. Apply on your face, all over the face, like this. Like this. Okay, this is the way applying soap or cleanser, like this. And your neck also, don't leave your neck, like this. Apply, and after that you wash your face with water, and after that you have the Gano oil. Gano oil good for skin also and hair also. Okay, then I show you how to use this Gano oil for hair, but now I show you it is how to use for your face, for face massage. You take Gano oil, some drops, and massage your face like this. Up strokes, don't go down. Up strokes you are using like this. This, this is the way of massage your face, like this, like this. Forehead also, don't forget your forehead, like this. And after that you want to massage, after that you want to take steam, you take steam. Unless you don't want to take steam, no, no problem. You want to take your blackheads and whiteheads, how to remove. You take tissue and take like this tissue, like this, and peel like this. This is blackheads and whiteheads, in case you have, then remove like this. Okay, here also pimple, something pimple seeds also there, then you remove like this. This is the way. And you have this steamer, you take a steam, it is better for your skin softener, and the blackheads and whiteheads easily remove. Okay, like this. And after that you want to apply the mask. How to make mask, I show you. You want to take like this bowl, and take 1 rg, 1 gl, and 2 to 4 spirulina. Crush the spirulina and take in the ball, and after that you put 2 spoon of this Moranzi juice. Mix all together nicely in this ball, and put like this, like this. Up strokes, all everything is like up. Okay, here nose also, like. नहीं छोड़ो चलो और फिर वॉश करना पड़ता there is you want to wash. Okay, apply like this and leave it this for half an hour to 1 hour is also no problem, but half an hour is enough. Leave on your face. This is half an hour. After half an hour you want to wash your face, and after wash your face, you don't have this moisturizer, then we have good moisturizer also with us, our Ganozi toothpaste. Okay, why Ganozi toothpaste? Because there is menthol is there, it is good for pimples, marks also, it is very good. Then you take this Ganozi toothpaste some on your hand, and put some water, mix with water. After wash the mask. Okay, mix nicely like this, and apply on your face and neck also, like this. This is good for your skin, and when you wash your skin, you see there is good results are there. Your skin is shine, glowing also. And this facial you are doing with your products. You have these products with you. You do this facial twice a month, or once a month is okay, no problem, because we not do massage every time on your face. But something you use on your face, like this moisturizer or cleanser, you massage only like up strokes, like this, like this. Okay, don't massage like this, don't go down, you do massage like this on your face, this. Okay, this is your facial. How to do facial on your face, this is I show you facial treatment. And this how to make mask. And when you lie down, you put the mask, and when you lie down, you put you take cotton, and like this cotton, or any this, yeah, cotton, and put rose water and put on your eyes. In case you don't have rose water, then you take cucumber slice rings and put on your eyes. It is good for you, feel good, and your eyes is become cold also, you feel good. Then this mask, after that wash, this is before and after. See, there is my left side, that is before, and my right side, that is after. This is after our facial treatment. Okay, And so many people think why coming dark circles because of less sleeping, because of we use in the night also our mobile full day, we use our mobile also, and reading, watching TV, television, and somebody's have stress also. That time also your dark circles are coming there. Then that person, somebody asks you about dark circles, you want to give spirina. Spirina is good for that also, because they don't have they are anemic, they don't have blood circulation, then the dark circles are coming there. Then you give them our spirina. This is better. In case they are taking coffee, it is also good. With coffee, spirina you give them also. And after that you take our gano oil. Don't put toothpaste or don't put anything on your eyes, because our eyes is very delicate. Okay, then you take our gano oil, 2 3 drops of gano oil you take on your fingers, and you do massage like this. This is these 3 fingers you do massage like this, clockwise and anti-clockwise, like this. This is good for puffiness. Somebody have puffiness, or somebody have this kidney problem, this puffiness is coming down the eyes, or less of sleep also it is coming. Then you do massage like this. This is our pressure points. You press here slightly, it is our pressure point. This one is our pressure points. Okay, you slightly massage and put here, and eyes also here also. This, close your eyes and do, because dummy is not close her eyes. Okay, like this you do massage on your eyes, downstairs also, downs also. And this is your eyeball, you do round like this, and tapping like this. Okay, so many people they have wrinkles here, lines or wrinkles here na. Then this massage for good for wrinkles and lines. This one, this one. Okay, you make 8 like this here. And this is also good for this. You make this 8 like this, 8 on your both eyes, like this. This is our full massage for eyes, relaxing your eyes, your dark circles also. After that, you put your fingers like this, shivering, slightly shiver like this, and leave it. Then after that, like this, and leave it. This is relaxing massage. You feel relaxed, you feel good. And sometime we have here in Dubai tea bags. When you use tea bags, don't throw that to tea bags. You put it in the fridge, and after that you keep it on your eyes. Unless you have a cucumber or a potato, cut the slice, round slice, and keep it on your eyes. It is also good for dark circles and relaxing. Okay, this is our dark circles treatment I show you. And this is, everybody have falling hair. Everybody because we are not taking good things, we are not eating, we are not take protein, and this, then this is good for that hair, falling hair treatment also. So many people they not drink water also. And so many countries their water is not good. Which water we taking for bath, it is also not good. Then our hairs are falling, thinking, stress, tension. That is also one reason of your falling hair. Then I show you how to take care of our hair with our Gano oil. With our, this is my testimonials. So many testimonials I have. They're baldy, and they got the hairs also. This is my all testimonials. There is no age limit. Any age you are doing the massage and you are taking our products, because our products is anti-aging. RGGL, Spirina, and Moranzi, it is anti-aging. Any age you are taking the products and you do this massage, your new hairs are grow, falling hair stop, and new hairs are grow. Then how to do the treatment, I show you that one. This is, we have Gano oil, and how to make mask, I show you that one also. uh, this is Gano oil. You take the oil in this, you have bottle, and you take this oil, nicely shake the bottle, and take the oil in like this ball, put the oil. And after that you take the cotton you take, and wet the cotton. Without wet cotton you not put the oil. Wet the cotton, and after that you take the oil, parting like this, parting like this, and take oil and put like this. You have dandruff or you have falling hair, this is good for that also. Put like this, partings all over the hair like this, here also, here and down also, backside also, all put oil nicely, and then you massage with your fingertips. This is fingertips, don't massage like this. Fingertips, put like fingers like this and massage clockwise, anti-clockwise. This is clockwise, anti-clockwise. You want to massage on your hair and scalp. Don't massage on your hair, massage in scalp like this, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Here also. Thank you. Thank you. Like this, full massage on your hair. When you massage, the blood circulation is are there and your pores are open. Okay. Like this. This is our pressure point. You do like this, like this. This is also our pressure point. When do massage, you pressure slightly press your pressure points like this. Okay. This is this massage, and don't forget your this. You want to massage your shoulders also, because there is our veins are there, the blood circulation is are not there. Then we want to massage here also, and we do massage here also. This is this massage here also. Okay, like this. Here also you do massage here also, and from here to like this, like this. I'm doing this side, then you are not see like this. Massage here also and go down again, go up and coming down like this. This is our hair massage. After hair massage, so many salons they have steamers also there, but no need this massage, no need the steamers. Okay, we have towel. You have towel, then you take the towel, boil the water and take the water, and this like this towel, put towel inside the water, and after squeeze, and after that you keep it like this on your hair, like this. This is the treatment of falling hair treatment. It is good for this towel steam is good for oil also. When you put the oil, when you take the steam, the oil is open pores and it's going inside and work on your cell. Okay, like this. Yes. Again, the towel you keep put it in the water and keep on your hair like this. 3 times, 4 times you do like this. Steam. This is hair steam and towel steam. It is good for hair also. It is good for your scalp also. And in case you have some problem in your scalp, it is good for that also. Then after that you massage like this, become cold. Okay, because hot towel is scalp is become hot, then you put like this. After that you take this mask. How to make mask, I show you. Take 1 egg, 2 tablespoon yogurt, curd. Okay, 2 tablespoon yogurt, 1 egg, and 1 rg and 1 gl. This is also good for your hair. 1 rg, 1 gl, and 2 to 4 spirulina candies. You make the powder and put inside the mask, and mix all together nicely, this all things, and put in scalp only. Like this brush, you take like this brush, take the mask and put only scalp like this. We not need hair oil or mask, only we want to put everything in our scalp. Okay, like this you take the mask and put like your scalp like this. This is the way to put mask like this. All over your scalp, you put this mask. Here also and this side also. Take the mask and put the mask like this. And back also, here also you put this mask. All over your head, you put this mask. and leave it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you take shower, you put shampoo, but herbal shampoo, again I say herbal shampoo. Don't take any chemical shampoo, chemical base. Always you take herbal shampoo, and this herbal shampoo is coming to Nigeria also, our DXN shampoo also in future. That shampoo only use, but now you don't have, then you take herbal shampoo and rinse your hair nicely. Put water, rinse your hair nicely. In case you have in your hair dandruff or any itching or anything in your hair, like balls also, somebody's have pimples, balls also, then you take our Ganozi toothpaste, mix nicely, take 1.5 inch toothpaste, Ganozi toothpaste, mix nicely. After wash, you put your hair and leave it for 15 to 15 minutes on your hair. Then you see your you feel cooling also, and after that 15 minutes you wash your hair and leave it nicely. It is this treatment you do twice a week or thrice a week, 3 times a week or 2 times a week. This is good for falling hair treatment, hair growth treatment, and your new hairs are coming. After 3 treatment, there is new hairs are coming. 2 3 treatments your falling hair stop, and 3 4 treatment you see the new hairs are grow. And in case your hairs are gray, it's coming black also. The color is change also, because our products is anti-aging products, and it is when you do the massage, it is good for that also. So many people, that is, you see my I show the my testimonials. You see there is one guy, he's also uh, age, he have age 70 years old, but when he's doing this treatment, when he's young, his hair is white, and old age he's doing our treatment, the hair is coming black also, and he got hair here also. He's baldy here, but he's get hair also. But he's taking our all products consume also, and he's doing his massage also. This is the our treatment, and how to do mask and apply, how to apply the mask, hair mask, and leave it for 1 hour. And after that you want to wash. This is, you want to wash, rinse your hair like this. Okay, this is my treatment, I show you. And after that, this is somebody want to yeah. And one thing I not show you, you have 3-in-1 coffee. Okay, you have 3-in-1 coffee. Somebody wants to scrub face, then sometime you want to scrub your face, then good, this is 3-in-1 coffee is good for that, scrub your face. You take 3-in-1 coffee, spray the water on your face. This is, spray the water on your face, and take the coffee, 3-in-1 coffee, on your hand like this. And after that you take the coffee and apply like this, only tap like this. Okay, this coffee. After you put the coffee on face, take some water, put your hand in water, and then after that you massage like this. This is scrub. Nose, because nose there is so many blackheads and white hairs are there, then you scrub like this, here also, and here also. Okay, this, this is, and somebody have pimples, then slowly here massage, scrub like this. Because we don't have scrub there, then you take the coffee and scrub like this with coffee. Somebody have pimples or balls here, or shoulder also, then you think this is about because of dandruff. Okay, dandruff's coming out, then pimples are there, then you give this treatment, oil massage treatment, and toothpaste. This is okay, Ganozi toothpaste, mix with water and apply on pimples also. This is scrub like this. Do scrub, don't put in your eyes, only nose here, on cheeks only, and chin only. Okay, like this. And this is good for hands. Sometimes our hands are coming dark color, then you put this scrub coffee like this, scrub, and after that leave it. Because when we do the scrub with our coffee, 3-in-1 coffee, after that you put the coffee, don't wash directly. After 10 minutes you wash your face, and after that you wash, and then you take the Ganozi toothpaste, apply on your face, and it is enough, it is finished. Okay, this treatment for your this. And coffee is good for health also. This is healthy coffee. You drink always, I'm drink full day, I take 8 to 9 cup. and there is no side effect, nothing. It is very good. And I think Nigeria people like black coffee, dark coffee. Okay, they drink this dark coffee also. This coffee is good for your hair mask also. You want to put, you put in your hair mask also. This is good for that also. Then this is my treatments, because you have how many products. This is, I show you how to do your facial with your DXN products, and how to do mask, hair mask. That is, I think so everybody like this, and everybody understand how to do facial and everything. Shall we change? Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you
Yeah,
very
yeah,
much.
Zoro. Yeah, Zoro.
Thank you very much. I was
Then
touching my
your
hair.
massage.
I was learning. I was
Yeah, you're learning for your this,
yes, I was
eye
trying to do.
dark art circles. Yeah. Yeah, this is good
Oh,
for. Yeah.
it's very. I felt relaxed. I wish I was the
Any
dummy because
questions?
I felt relaxed already touching
Yeah,
it.
there is. Yeah, because we are
That's really
so
nice.
many times we are on computers, and we on your mobile like this. Na, then we need a relaxing massage on your eyes, and we have
Wow.
so good oil with us, Gano oil. Then you
Oh,
massage with this also, and facial treatments and hair treatment. Hair treatment is also very good, because so many people they got the hair falling at. Then they ask me how to do massage and what products we use. Then our products is there, we use like
oh,
this. Okay.
oh,
And
very.
Gano oil is good for this also, arthritis pain, or any pain. This is good for that also, because Dr. Lim give us this is massage oil only. But when
Mm,
I'm coming in DXN, I do hair massage also with this, and face massages also with this, because it is good for hair and face also.
mm.
Yeah.
Very,
You
very
have some
good.
questions or anything?
Yeah, yes, please. If you have questions, please start asking from her demonstration what you want to ask. My question is about the facial marks. You said
Yeah.
one RUG, one GL, two spirulina, and two
two to
spoons of
four
Morizi.
2 to 4 aspirina is better for
Oh,
face. And somebody have old skin like this, wrinkles and anything, then you
okay.
take 6 to 8, no problem. Because
Okay.
when you take more spirulina, your skin is become tight.
Hmm. Okay.
it
You,
is, it
you
is
mix
depend on
them
you
together.
how much. Yeah, it is depend on you how much you take the products, and how much you want to become young. That's like this. Yeah. This
Okay.
is for
So,
face, yeah, and two spoon, 2 teaspoon Morris
okay.
English, not tablespoon. Okay,
Teaspoon. Oh, okay.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Two
Mix all together
teaspoon.
and apply on your face nicely up like this up, and leave it for half an hour,
Okay. Leave for half
and
an
then yeah,
hour.
then you
Okay.
wash.
Okay.
Then you wash. After wash, you take our Ganoji toothpaste, mix with water, and apply on your face and leave it.
Okay. But
This is our.
people are concerned. People are concerned using Ganosi toothpaste on the face. Does it affect the color for fair people? Won't it make them darker?
No, because so many people take the direct toothpaste and put on your face. It is not good.
Hmm.
Then I
Oh,
say
okay.
with water, because we have baby chubby oil. Tell them mix with chubby oil and apply. But some countries they don't have the chubby oil, our DXN chubby oil. Then I tell them take the toothpaste with water, mix and apply. Because so many people take Zorro the toothpaste and apply direct. It is
Hmm.
not good, because there is menthol. It is strong for your skin. Our
Skin.
face skin is very delicate.
Hmm.
Our body skin is not much delicate, but our face skin is very delicate, and more
Okay.
delicate our lids, eyelids and eye skin is more delicate. Don't
Hmm.
play with our eyes or our face skin. Okay, take
Okay.
the toothpaste and take with water, mix with water and apply on your face. It is good for pimples mask also, and it is good for cooling. When you
Okay.
put on your face or your head the toothpaste, you feel cool.
Okay.
It is good for that also.
Okay. So if you say people use DXN chubby oil, can they
Yeah.
still mix the toothpaste with massage oil?
Massage oil, there is you try, but it is not result. With chubby oil, there is good result. And if
Okay.
you don't have, then you take toothpaste and water. It is also
And
enough.
water. Perfect. Perfect.
But
Now you said
you try because we have chabi oil, then we apply always chabi oil. You try with
okay,
Gano oil, no problem. But don't shake the oil, only oil. The Ganoderma is coming down, okay? The powder is down. When
okay.
you take toothpaste, don't shake the oil, only you take palm oil because palm oil is coming up, okay? Take
Oh,
3 drops of palm oil and toothpaste and mix and apply on your face.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. You were saying something about the eyes, the black eyes. We
Dark
should
circles.
apply, yes, dark circle for. We use only massage
Yeah.
oil for the. So
Only
only
massage.
massage oil is okay for that.
Yeah, massage oil, take massage oil, nicely massage on your eyes. I show all
Yes.
strokes, this like this. And
Wow.
after that, because we have here tea bags, then we use the tea bags and we not throw. We keep it in the fridge and then we
Fridge.
put on eyes. But now you don't have the tea, then you take
Yes.
cucumber slice or potato slice, put on your eyes. That is also good for cooling.
Oh, perfect. And this can be done by and for people of any age and
Any age, any
any
age.
age. So
Age
kids, we
limit is
can.
not there. Any age, yeah.
So I can do for my daughter, no matter
Yeah,
her
yeah,
age,
yeah.
and massage.
What's her age?
Yeah, she's 2 years.
Huh?
Two.
Okay, no. Don't massage. Don't more massage for her face. Okay, because this facial we want to do after 15 or 16.
Mm,
Cleanse your face, and for facial 22 years. Then you do
no,
massage, facial massage. There is
perfect.
age limit is also there for massage.
No, that's really nice. So
Yeah.
it means someone like you, someone can just open a massage parlor and make use of strictly DXM products.
Yeah. That when our more products are coming now, they open the parlors also there in Nigeria. So many
Sure.
ladies, so many people they open our DXN parlor only. My students they are doing the business with our DXN.
Yes.
They are
Yes.
earning
Yes.
lots of money because everybody need money. Okay, they are doing
Mm.
facials. They take 100 dirhams. I don't know Nigeria money how many 100 dirhams per facial, and for
Wow.
massage, hair massage, they are charging 65 dirham. You
Wow.
convert how much it is. They are taking 65 one treatment. When you
Mm.
do hair massage, any parlor ladies see me, then I tell them, you are doing hair massage, you give them 10 sittings. Every 2 days, you call them and do massage, hair massage. It is very good income of your parlor.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
That's
And this is
and
guaranteed. Huh? Zoro, it is
guaranteed.
guaranteed. Your falling hair is stop and new hairs are grow.
Oh,
Yes.
perfect. Perfect. Okay, you said lastly, I enjoyed the last one you said about using the 3-in-1 coffee. I enjoyed, you said you pat it on your face.
Patches also, and somebody have black heads and white heads. Na?
Okay.
Some white black like this na, that is black heads and white heads. Somebody have here, somebody have here, somebody
Yeah.
here also. Then you take the coffee, spray the water. This is a normal spray. You spray the
Yeah.
water on your face, take the coffee 3-in-1 and apply like this,
Mm.
only like this. Okay, take the coffee, apply like this. After that, mix like this and massage here like this, here also, here also whiteheads are so many people they have whiteheads here also. Okay, then
Mm.
massage like this here, and somebody have pimples here, then they massage here also, scrub here also. After that you leave it this coffee on your face 10 minutes. After that you wash and you see your face is glowing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. That's really nice. That's really nice. Whoa. I think I should open my own massage parlor because I'm already a professional.
Yeah, you
I'm
open
already a
then
professional.
yeah, you
But
open
yes,
then I'm coming there and I show how to
perfect. It'll be
yeah.
perfect. Okay, my final question is why in every massage they always want us to do it upward movement, not downward.
Huh, why? Because you do like this massage, then your skins become saggy.
Oh,
Hang your skin, okay? Then you
oh,
want to do like this massage. See, somebody
Okay.
have here also this skin is saggy here, na? Then you do
Yes.
massage like this.
Okay.
Take Gano oil and massage upwards only. When you do like this, your skin is become saggy, hanging skin.
Okay.
Okay? Then you want to do massage like this. Here also, face also like this, and here also like this. This is
Okay.
the
Oh.
source of the facials.
Wow. 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 That's really nice. Oh, okay. You've heard it here from Mrs. Roshana. I had a very interesting time. I see nobody's asking question. It seems they are still relaxed during the demonstration. They are feeling
Yeah,
very much relaxed
yeah,
in the
this is right.
demonstration.
Today
Yes.
everybody's go home and they do facials and hair massage also. Okay,
Sure.
some
Sure.
ladies
Sure.
are seeing they do their husband massage, and some gents are there, they do their wife massage.
Yes, yes, very good. It's true. It's true. You just brought out something. So everybody watching live, anywhere you are, when you are doing your facial mask, tag DXN Nigeria on our Facebook page and show us the picture of you doing your facial mask or using any DXN product for your facial and your beauty wellness. Put it on our Facebook page, and then we are doing well to make sure that we post it for you so that everybody can know that DXM product is here to stay. Okay, I think someone else asked a question. Mr.
Yeah.
Karim Amina, he said, I wanted to ask about the weight loss DSN coffee. How effective is it? Because people have been asking about it, and for how long will they see results?
I have lots of people. I have lots of people. They reduce the weight with our
Hmm.
products. Okay, so many countries we have the this micro veggie also, but I tell that this also. But somebody don't have that micro veggie, then they take RGGL morning time, RGGL and spirulina. After Moranzi, after RGGL and Moranzi, you take the somebody have the capsules also, spirulina capsules. Okay,
Hmm.
take capsules, open the capsules and put in a glass, warm water, and squeeze one lemon. This is good for fat reduce. In case you don't have capsules, then you take 4 spirulina candies, crush it, powder, and put it in the glass, warm water, and squeeze lemon and drink that one. It is very good for reduce weight. Okay. After that, full day you drink our black coffee. And when you want to go walk, you drink the coffee, black coffee, and you go to walk, sweating are there. It is very good for reduce weight. Okay. Then so many countries they have this micro veggie. It is you skip one meal and you take this micro veggie also.
Oh.
But today I'm not sure because that lady is from Nigeria or outside of Nigeria.
Karim Amina, I think she's from Nigeria. I think
Okay.
Karim, yes.
Then
So,
you take these products, spirulina, RGGL spirulina, and black coffee. It is good
oh,
for reducing. I reduced 25 kg, and now I give somebody, he's reduced 1 month 12 kg. There is a result. Okay.
before or after meal?
Before meal. Before meal is better. Spirulina don't take after meal. Who want to gain weight, give after meal. Who want to reduce weight, give before meal.
Oh,
One and a half an hour before.
okay.
This is
Oh,
yeah. This is don't forget. This remember.
okay. Mrs. Karim is saying she's from Saudi Arabia. Oh,
Okay.
nice to
Okay.
meet you. Nice to meet you.
Thank
So
you.
Aruji, GLs, Morinzi, then later on spirulina and lemon.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Warm water.
And Saudi Arabia, they have this micro veggie also.
Micro
You
veggie? Oh,
skip
okay.
night food, and you take this also micro veggie. Okay.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. Why are we always using warm water? Warm water, not cold water.
Warm water. Warm water is good for cleanse your toxins. When you take cold water, is not good. Always you drink warm water is better after
Perfect.
food. And yeah, I make our DXN tea, and always I'm drink our DXN tea. 4-5 cups of DXN tea, and 6-7 cups of our black coffee. Always I'm drinking this one, and there is no side effect. It's
No
good
side
for health
effects.
also. Yeah,
Wow.
this is good for health also.
That's really, really nice. Really, really nice. Okay. Any more question? We are still available. We are still available. Question about your beauty, about how to make use of the product. We have so many years of experience present with us. So if you have any issue, any acne, pimples, skin issues, facial issues, so you can ask the questions now. And if you are not live, you can go back and rewatch her section on our Facebook page, on our YouTube channel, and you can start getting information about it. And we'll do well also to answer all your questions. Thank you very much, Ma, for your time. I really appreciate. I learned a lot.
And where more products is coming, then I'm coming again for
Sure.
live and I show you. Okay, inshallah.
Yes, Ma, inshallah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
My regards to your daughter, our very amiable secretary. Your secretary.
Yeah. She's my SSD.
Oh.
My secretary also.
Yes,
Nice.
thank you very much.
Nice, Nigeria.
Thank you very much.
And do business and achieve everything. Okay. There is travel also. There is travel also. Then we meet anywhere. Inshallah.
Sure.
Okay. Bye bye. Take
Bye
care.
bye, Ma. Thank you very much, Ma. Bye bye.
Welcome. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, and we've heard it here. It has been an exceptional time. I've learned a lot how to use the product, DXN available products, to make sure we use it. It is very, very, very important that we know how to use the products, and it is exceptional. Thank you very much, Ma, for your time. Oh, I think she has left. People are asking questions. Are you still around?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, you are still here. Okay, Lucky. Which is still here. For the benefit of doubt, let us do it. Okay. Someone is asking, good morning, DXN. Please, ma'am, can we use any DXN product as dye for white hair?
Dye, I show you now. This treatment is dye treatment. Okay.
It's dye treatment.
Yeah, when you put the mask and you put this black coffee also in mask and you apply, that is also good for your hair become white hair become black.
Oh, perfect.
Market any products. This is good for your change your hair color also.
Yeah. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, the final question is Mr. Uwem is asking what products can help on stretch marks. Marks.
There is, but you don't have. Who's which country?
From Nigeria. From Nigeria.
Nigeria, okay.
Yes, from Nigeria.
There is, I have for stretch marks. I give the Gano oil and we have tea tree cream. But I'm not trying with Ganozi toothpaste. You try with this, okay? I show this Gano oil and tea tree cream mixed together and apply anywhere stretch marks on arms also, stomach also, okay? Apply that one and leave it for full night. Morning, I tell them apply our Ganozi soap. This is you don't have, but future it is coming. Don't worry, okay? Apply the Ganozi soap nicely. Leave it 15 minutes. After that, wash and any toner you have, apply that toner and see the stretch marks is invisible. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Somebody says thank you, Easy Okonkwo. He said thank you, ma. Interesting section, learned a lot. Thank you to Sam Zero. Oh, thank you very much, Miss Easy Okonkwo. Okay, a question. I think they are now relaxed. They are asking their question. They say greetings, greetings. I have a skin issue. I have a bad scar on my face. I burnt when I was young and it is there. What can I recommend for, what can you recommend for me? He's from? I think this is Bashani from Nigeria. This is from Nigeria. Please, when you are, if you are in Nigeria and Nigerian leaders or African leaders, please always specify where you are watching from so that we can be able to notify and locate you very well. Okay, I think Deborah Bashani, I don't know the country she's coming from, but I think it's from Nigeria. Yes. Zoro, why I ask from where? Because Nigeria, not lots of products are there. Okay. Yes. Yes. Because in country there is so many products are there. Then I tell them to apply the Ganozi soap. You pray Ganozi soap is coming to you. It is very good for skin. Okay. Apply the Ganozi soap nicely on your face, scars mask and this pimples mask. Apply nicely this Ganozi soap like this. and leave it for 15 minutes, because market soap we are not leave on our face. That is chemical. Our soap, Ganusi soap, is very good for skin. Apply and leave it for 15 minutes. Then you wash and take Ganusi toothpaste and Chubby baby oil and mix together and apply. It is very good for your mask.
Okay, okay. So it's going to help with the burnt skin she had when she was young?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect,
And
perfect.
for burning skin, in case you are doing some work in kitchen, or your skin is burned, hand
Yeah,
or anywhere, Ganusi toothpaste is very good.
okay.
When it is burned, you put our GL on this and leave it for 1 day. And after day, you take the Ganusi toothpaste with water and apply on this, or you take Gano oil and apply there. The mark is going. There is no mark, invisible.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Finally, Ms. Karim is back. She's saying, is there any cream for dark spots?
That's the same thing. Now I apply, tell you.
The same massage oil.
Yeah.
Yeah, the same massage oil. So
Massage
we've
oil.
heard it. Yeah, the same massage oil. So let us know. Our products are coming very soon. More products will be added to
Yeah.
DXN Nigerian products, and then we'll be able to do more with our facial treatment, our hair treatment, and skin treatment also, to make sure that everything is going very well. Okay, thank you for bringing her back. She almost left us, but thank God she's back. Okay, we are going to say bye-bye again,
Bye-bye.
and
All
as
right.
we
Take
see
care
you
again.
next
Bye.
time. Thank you
Nice.
very much, man.
Bye-bye.
Have a
Take
nice
care.
day. Let's
Bye.
keep living with health, wealth,
Yeah.
and happiness. Thanks to my leaders in DXN Nigeria for their donation towards the ODOC campaign. We really appreciate your effort to feed the malnourished children in the world and in Nigeria as a whole. Thank you very much. We appreciate all your efforts. Let's keep doing more. Let's keep promoting DXN products. Let's keep promoting DXN, and let us promote it as a health and wellness product, not a drug. It kills the business when we promote it as a drug. It is not a drug. Thank you very much, my people. Thank you once more. Thank you, Africa. Thank you, Nigeria. Thank you, Mrs. Roshanara from Dubai. I really
Welcome.
appreciate your effort. Thank you very much. And
Most
my name,
welcome.
once more, it's Samuel Zoro, marketing manager for DXN Nigeria. Let's do this again on Thursday. Keep living in health, wealth, and happiness. Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye-bye.